In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your subscription settings on the MyFitnessPal website. Whether you're considering making a change to your membership, curious about how the settings work, or ready to cancel your subscription, we've got you covered. Let's start by navigating to MyFitnessPal's website. This site is an incredible tool for tracking your diet and exercise, offering a free calorie counter to support your fitness journey. Once on the homepage, if you haven't already, you might want to take a minute to familiarize yourself with the various tools and resources it offers. Beyond just tracking calories, it's a resource hub dedicated to helping you stay on target with your fitness goals. Now, if you're currently using the premium version and want to manage your subscription, you'll need to head over to the Premium tab. This is typically located in the top menu bar. Clicking this tab will take you to a page dedicated to premium features, highlighting additional resources and options available for your fitness plan. For those who appreciate a bit more depth in their tracking, exploring these features can be incredibly beneficial. From the premium page, look for an option to access your subscription settings. This section is where you will find all the necessary controls for managing your membership preferences. It's an important area to familiarize yourself with, especially if you're considering making any adjustments to your plan. Once you've arrived at the subscription settings page, you can make changes to your subscription, such as turning off the auto renewal feature. By switching this option from on to off, you can ensure that your subscription will not automatically renew at the end of the billing cycle. It's worth noting that you will still retain access to all premium features until the current billing period ends, so there's no immediate loss of service. Remember, even after turning off auto renewal, you can still enjoy all the benefits of the premium service until your subscription cycle concludes. This provides a buffer period to decide if you want to return to a traditional membership or explore other options. It's a streamlined way to make decisions about your fitness journey at your own pace without any pressure. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can effectively manage your premium subscription on MyFitnessPal. It's essential to know these settings exist and understand how to make adjustments as your fitness needs change. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to check out other tips and guides for optimizing your MyFitnessPal experience. Until next time, take care and stay active.